USAID, in conjunction with the Aga Khan Foundation USA and the Pamir Energy Company, inaugurated newly constructed power transmission lines. Expanding cross-border distribution lines promotes regional energy cooperation, increases regional economic activity, and facilitates the development of small-scale commercial enterprises. The new power transmission lines will increase electricity distribution across the border from Tajikistan to Afghanistan and meet the energy needs of the Shugnan district in Afghanistan's Badakhshan province. USAID, through its Central Asia Regional Energy, Security, Efficiency, and Trade Project, is providing $785,000 to extend cross-border transmission lines to Viod villages in the Shugnan district and to two Sarchashma sub-villages, Tijmoy and Pidrut, in Afghanistan. Ms. Kathleen McDonald, Country Director of USAID in Tajikistan, told the audience, "Increasing access to electricity in the region will increase trade through local markets, promote the creation of small businesses, and improve local labor productivity. This project builds on the positive momentum created by other parallel investments in bridges, markets, and connecting roads."